Hi everyone, welcome back. For those who just tuning in, I'm Yewen, Customer Engineer at Google Cloud. I'm together with Jay coming to you from Singapore.
Great, and I am Jay Jenkins. I lead tech strategy and evangelism for Google Cloud in Asia Pacific. So thank you to all of you for participating in the Q&A. It's great to see so many questions coming through. It's great to see the interaction in the community. I really love seeing that. Now, I have noticed that there have been some questions around the quiz. Right, so just to let you know, if you are in full screen mode, you will not see the quiz on Ewan's side of the screen. However, if you exit full screen mode, you should, toward the end of each session, you will see the quiz questions pop up. So if you miss the quiz questions, don't worry. We'll give you a little bit of time as we bring each one of these questions onto the screen so you can think about that and answer the questions just live along with us.
Yes, I hope you learned a lot from the morning sessions. From the beginning, we have Andrew and Vincent to guide us through some basic technologies you need to get your project and virtual machine running on Google Cloud. Then we'll also have the partners from VMware and NetApp to share with us how to optimize your infrastructure. I can't wait to see the quiz result.
All right, so let's take a look at the first question. How can you easily patch large fleets of virtual machines, or Google Compute Engine, on Google Cloud? A bunch of scripts, Cloud Scheduler plus App Engine, VM Manager, or just hire a bigger infra ops team? And the answer is C. So well done, everyone. So I'm sure that all of us have had to build a bunch of scripts previously in order to manage VMs. And of course, hiring a bigger infra ops team, not exactly the most scalable way to go.
Yeah, let's look at the second one. Which on-prem workload can you back up directly to object storage, like nearline and coline using AltiFill and Google Cloud? Is it A, Microsoft SQL servers, or B, MySQL, C, VMware, or D, IBM DB2? So the answer is C. I'm glad to see most of you get it right again.
All right, fantastic. On to the next question. Which of the following is not a key part of Google Cloud's backup offerings? ActiveFio Go, Google Cloud Backup Appliance, Google Cloud Primitives or Persistent Disk Snapshots, or partners such as Veeam? And the answer is Google Cloud Backup Appliance, right? So this is a cloud offering, so the solutions we have are cloud-based solutions.
Okay, let's take a look at the last one. Which of the following provides a fully managed SMB file share for Windows applications? Is it A, NetApp Cloud Volume Service, B, NetApp Cloud Volume on Tap, or C, Google Cloud File Storage, or D, Google Cloud Storage? So the right answer is A. It is covered in our partner Bala session, but if you miss it, don't worry. We will have on-demand recording for you later this week.
Great. So again, thank you to all of you who took part in the quiz. And for those of you joining us tomorrow, remember that you need to exit full screen video mode in order to see the quiz selections on Ewan's side of the screen. All right, so there are also a lot of questions, Ewan, around certifications. So besides the e-certificate, which everybody gets for attending this live event, what are the other types of certifications that are available to the people that are viewing?
Yeah, so besides the technology update, certification is definitely another hot topic we want to cover. So let's take a look. This slide shows you all the certification available for Google Cloud. We recommended starting with Associate. It is recommended for people with 6 months hands-on experience with Google Cloud. So after the week-long training, you can continue your Quick Lab, your Coursera on-demand training towards gaining the Associate Cloud Engineer certification. After that, we will have different tracks available for you, such as generally from the professional cloud architect, then specialized in the DevOps, collaboration for the workspace, the data engineer, machine learning, and also we have the developer tracks, network security available for you. Those professional level is recommended for people with 3+ years experience and at least 1 year's hands-on experience with Google Cloud. Let's look at some numbers why gaining the certification is important for our audience. This is done by a third-party survey. We've seen incredible numbers that 78 people shared with us they feel more confident in professional future after gaining the cloud certification. And 80+ people shared with us they feel that can prove their cloud skills to the recruiters, make their resume feel more attractive, and feel more confident in cloud skills. And one more cool thing is when people gain the certification, they are keen to share with their networks. It's all about sharing and building the communities. So I believe everyone have your own path on the certification. Here, we would like to share with you an example journey to the associate cloud engineer. You can start with such as Coursera trainings for the core infrastructure, compute engine, Kubernetes. This is also the focus for day 1, day 2. After that, you can continue with some quick lab sessions. Then you can try some sample questions available on our website to test whether you are ready to go.
Great, and of course, we also have digital skill badges available. So as you're going on this learning journey, we want to be able to issue you this digital badge, which is done by Google Cloud in recognition of your efforts and as a symbol of your individual cloud competency. In order to start achieving these, you can actually take part in our Google Cloud Skills Challenge. So you see the link on your screen, but you can also get to that link via the FAQ tab, again, by using the menu at the top of your screens. So during this Cloud Skills Challenge, you'll choose your challenge track, you'll race the clock and earn those skill badges. And then once you have those skill badges, you'll be able to share those on social media. As an example of the types of different skill badges we have available, so again, once you start the skills challenge, you will have 30 days to get 3 of these digital badges. We have a Getting Started track, Data Analytics track, Kubernetes track, ML and AI track, and also native app development tracks. So throughout this week, you'll get a little bit more familiar with the technologies that are available. And then as you get familiar with those technologies, you can choose the track that is best suited for your interests. But for now, let's take a quick look at a short video to explain a little bit more about the Skills Challenge.
Are you looking to build and showcase your cloud skills? Want an easy way to show them off? You can now earn skill badges from Google Cloud to demonstrate your growing cloud competencies. Here's how it works. First, you need to join the Google Cloud Skills Challenge. This gives you 30 days of free access to Google Cloud Labs. Then, choose the track you're interested in and get started. Each track has a number of skill badges up for grabs. To earn a badge, you'll need to complete a series of Google Cloud Labs. Then, you'll need to pass a final challenge lab designed to test your skills. Once you've earned a badge, showcase what you've learned. You could add it to your resume and share it with your network. Ready to go? Join the Google Cloud Skills Challenge today and start earning your skill badges.
So I hope you're excited about taking part in that skills challenge. You will be able to have access to those hands-on labs. And speaking of hands-on labs, we're actually coming up to our dev zone. So in the dev zone, we're going to walk you through those hands-on labs, but in addition, we will have some on-demand labs available to you as well, so you can get a better depth of understanding across our platform.
Yes, before we leave you for the lab, We would also like to hear about your feedback about the day one sessions. So just complete a short survey to share with us what sessions you particularly like or some of the feedback you want us to improve in the next event.
Right, and of course, we want to make sure that this is valuable for you as well. So please keep it interactive, ask questions in the live Q&A, interact with each other as well. I've also noticed many of you using the hashtag Google Cloud Tech Series on social media. I did go in and take a look at those. Please use those throughout the week to give us another avenue to interact with you and keep the conversation going.
Yes, up next, we will have Johnny Zing, our technical trainer from Google Cloud, to walk us through the Compute Engine Windows Quick Start.
Fantastic. Now, we will give you just a couple of minutes to go grab a coffee or a tea, get up and have a stretch before you start those labs. But most importantly, make sure that you are involved in this fantastic community that we have. You maximize your learning and you maximize the opportunities that are available this week. Again, we have 44 sessions throughout this week. Hopefully you've taken a look at the agenda moving forward. Tomorrow, we're going to move on to modernizing those applications. So a strong foundation of infrastructure today, and then moving on to help you focus on building better applications.
Thanks, everyone. See you soon.